Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the multiply function in Numpy, Python. So we're going to start by inserting a code line using collaboratory. So we're going to start by importing Numpy, and we're going to give an alias of MP, and we're going to give two values. We're going to give value 1. We're going to name value 1 as a float, and we're going to name value 2 as a float as well. And we're going to do the multiply function in NumPy. So we're going to say product A equals np for NumPy dot multiply by value 1 by value 2. And then we're going to print product A. Okay, cool. Let's do that. So that's it. The product of 34.99 times 23.78. Got that at 832.06.